Foundry.
Okay, Arthur, imagine an AI agent that actually gets smarter every time it works. Not because you updated it, because it taught itself.
That sounds like marketing speak. Agents don't teach themselves. They respond, you close the chat, they forget everything.
That's exactly the problem Agent Zero solves. It has this thing called the skill synthesizer. It watches conversations, and when it detects a reusable solution, it automatically writes a new skill file to disk. Zero user intervention.
Wait, so it's just creating files on my system without me approving anything?
It runs through a 9-stage validation pipeline before it even calls the LLM. Then 5 more validation layers after. Confidence threshold, name validation, structural checks. It's not just dumping random content. And here's the key part. It won't overwrite skills you wrote yourself or installed from the marketplace.
Okay, but what's the actual value? Sounds like a fancy auto-documentation tool.
It's way more than that. Think about an agent that's been running for 6 months in your infrastructure. It solved 50 Kubernetes crashes, 30 deployment issues, 20 database problems. Each one got captured as a skill. Now when Pod 51 crashes, it loads the proven procedure. 4 minutes instead of 30.
That's the claim. Where's the evidence?
The report predicts MSPs, managed service providers, will see 30 to 50% faster resolution times on repeat issues within 6 months. And it makes sense. Every solved problem becomes a permanent asset. The agent's capability baseline literally increases over time.
So it compounds.
Exactly. Most agents follow a linear value curve, same capability on day 1 and day 365. This creates an exponential curve. The report calls it, the most valuable AI agent isn't the smartest one on day 1, it's the one that's been learning on the job for 6 months.
And there's a marketplace component too.
Skills Finder, same ecosystem. You browse community skills, one-click install, so you get external best practices plus internal synthesized knowledge. They feed each other, a flywheel.
All right, I'll admit it. If this works as described, it genuinely changes the deployment model. You're not just installing an agent, you're growing one.
That's it exactly. The skill library becomes the moat. You know where to find out more.
dumbfoundry.com.